Alright, this is a NEEWER battery backplate and light handle. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $40. They haven't paid me for the review, and my opinion remains my own. So in the box, we have the handle itself. And this handle has a place there where you can mount it to the top of like a standard lighting pole and then stick it in place. It also has kind of your 1/4 x 20 mount point here, and it's adjustable so that if you want to do it at an angle, you can adjust that as well. So you could just use this guy as just a plain old handle for anything with a 1/4 x 20 mounting point on it. But it's designed to be used with this battery backplate. It has these 3 little notches here. They go in and then snap up, and it locks in place. To get it out, you have to push the button to pull it in and out. So you push the button, push it in, snap it up. And this whole thing sits, and it has 2 points of contact. This whole thing's flat. So this guy will be kind of a tabletop mount, or you can just set the light down if you don't want to hold on to it the whole time. So on the front of the plate, there's actually 2 places you can insert batteries in. So it'll take your NP-F style, Sony style batteries, you snap those in there, and you can just have one of those batteries in there. There's a button here you push to get it back out again. Or it has the V-mount battery system here, where you basically take a V-mount battery, snap it in place, and then you have a lot more power there. Now both of those batteries hook up to this jack back here, which is a 5.5 millimeter outside diameter by 2.5 millimeter inside diameter barrel connector. And it has a cable that comes with these screw in here. So I don't believe you need to use those screws. You could use a standard cable without the screw in, but the screw in is kind of nice because that thing's not pulling out accidentally. And so this guy will screw into various NEEWER lamps, and there's also other things that accept, it's a pretty standard, power cable style. You just have to make sure the voltage is correct. So that's where things get a little interesting here, because the V-mount battery is about a 16-volt battery, and the NP-F battery is about an 8-volt battery. And so depending on which battery you have mounted, the voltage coming out of the end here can be significantly different. So you're going to have to make sure which battery to use with your equipment, and make sure the voltage level is appropriate for the equipment that you're using it with. Now, especially if you have one of the NEEWER lights that has the little screw-in locking adapters that this is designed to be used with, this is a great solution. But even if you don't, anything that uses one of those types of batteries and has a barrel connector would be fine. You could even buy other cables that would go from the 2.5 inside to maybe the 2.1 inside if you have a different style of barrel connector. So this jack here, you don't have to use those screw threads if you don't want to. A standard barrel connector would fit that jack. So one thing that confused me a little bit is just the multiple different release buttons on this guy. So we have this one here, which is releasing the NP-F battery. We have this one here, which is releasing the V-mount battery. And then this guy here releases the battery plate from the handle. So it has this little catch thing here, and there's a picture of it in the manual, but they don't have anything indicating what it's for hooking to. Now with the V-mount battery, the handle grip tilts forward a bit there. So we have about 7.6 volts with an NP-F battery, and we have about 15.6 volts with the V-mount battery. Now, presumably you could use this as a battery plate without the handle, but it has a pretty, proprietary mounting system there, so you could set it somewhere, but you really need that handle to latch into that 3-point connection. So if you have a light or other device that needs power from the 8 to 16 volt range with a V-mount or NP-F battery, and it has a kind of barrel connector, this guy here is a nice solution for a handle. It could be on a lighting pole, can be table mounted depending on the tilt of the weight. So it's very useful in that situation. And even without the battery mounting plate, I could see this guy being useful on its own to mount something to the top of a lighting pole and then be able to take it off and carry it around handheld and then just stick it back on a lighting pole. And if you have a NEEWER light or one of the others that uses this kind of threaded style barrel connector, this is a very nice cable. I suspect 99% of the people are going to be using this with a V-mount battery, but just the ability to throw in an NP-F is kind of useful. Only way I could think of to make this better is have it where you could have a dual mounting slot, so you could get 16 volts out of a pair of these guys in series. So yeah, at the $40 price point, I feel like you're getting a lot of value out of that device.